We are here, Honda Fest 2024.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jaz Car Life. This is the first time we have ever participated in an event. It's also our first time collaboration with No Chill.
Masuk-masuk je, the line up is already like macam crazy way. S2000, yellow, and you got like a few of them here. Oh my god, we gotta roll it. I would love to have that S2000, tapi if money is never an issue, I definitely get that. Hey guys, by the way, check this out. We have a Spoon CRZ under the flag of No Chill, and look at the interior. Dia ada Asimo though. Look at the Honda Asimo kat dalam tu. I think this is by far my favorite CRZ. Okay, because it's so clean. It's so clean. Wow guys, this is really nice. Like superb.
We were here since this morning to set up the car in the right spot. It was really hot as the sun was directly overhead. We left around 1 PM to take rest before coming back at 6 PM. But later we got stuck outside due to the massive traffic and no parking spots.
Kau nak tengok gold engine tak? Crazy. This is at the level of attention of details is like super way. Okay, we gotta check out our own car sebab the lighting dah macam makin berkurangan, and we gotta make sure we have a good shot of our car. Okay, so let's go. Rolling. Pagi tadi the scene wasn't like this. And like suddenly like kau ada like whole crazy colorways line up of everything guys, it's all here, name it. Okay, aku dah tak tahu dah, aku dah bio lah, aku nak pergi tengok kereta aku je sekarang. Wait, look what we have here. We got the Jaz Car Life and No Chill sitting next to Faris FL5. What do you guys think? Livery and all. So it took a while for us to come up with this idea, but I think it came out very well. If it's not now, then when? Check that out. Again, we got Zestec over there. It is definitely something worth experiencing at least for once. We got our FK8 next to all the FL5 lineup, and it's just amazing, okay? And it feels so good to be here. We're gonna definitely come back and enjoy the event, of course.
The preparation for this event took us around 3 to 4 weeks, from installing the parts, designing the decals for the car, detailing the car, and preparing the merchandise. It wasn't easy as I was also traveling for work, but luckily I had full support from my wife, Iris, and the boys from No Chill. So shout out to Ashman aka Shiroy for having my back on this.
Okay guys, so I'm not gonna go into the detail because kita ada terlalu banyak sangat line up and we have so much things to cover. I will just pick what I think is very interesting, like for example this silver FD, almost like full track setup. Well, it is a track setup, like look at the offset, the tire spec, the mods, Kevlar. It's just crazy. Okay, ini the level of attention to details. I really like this kind of build. Okay, let's go. We move to the next one. We're going to the next part, which is all the end box as well as the Jazz, okay? You guys know I have a soft spot for Jazz, and we're gonna go and check out all the crazy Jazz. Okay guys, this is the FL5 dengan rim viral 20,000. Look at the spec of the wheel. Look at the offset, how flush it is. It's just crazy. Fitment dia on point lah. The APR wing, the width, garang gila. Next section, kita ada depan ni, which is Honda Freed, and then after that next to it is like all the end box, and I'm pretty much sure korang dah pernah nampak end box yang sebelah kiri ni. Okay, end box ni pun memang it was mod by Qaqal. One thing I like about end box, dia macam minivan tau, very cute. And maybe for you guys who are not familiar with Qaqal, korang rasa kereta ni like macam okay, it's just okay, kecil semua kan, tak berbaloi, tapi it's a really nice car and very cute. Okay, they make you when you look at it make you happy. Okay, so dekat sini kita ada City, Honda City, and This is the latest one. Super clean engine bay. You see, it's like nothing crazy, tapi the way how the engine bay is so clean and nicely set up. Details. It's all about the details. Okay, sometimes bila comment creator, it's not about the performance, but it's about having the details. I think this is one of the nice FK8 with a very nice stance. Dia punya rim Desmond Evo, color putih memang cantik gila. Tengok dia punya lip. The lip is like, I think like maybe 2 inch. Running on the 265/35/18. I think it's the wheels that make it look aggressive. Aku suka tu setup macam ni. Dia still using the original front bumper, rear bumper, tapi dia pakai the Mugen lip, the Mugen side skirt, and then after that the hood. I think this is, wait, let me think. This is more like a JS Racing punya hood. The car looks very clean. So this is Qaqal punya first event kan. It's definitely well planned for whatever that is happening here. Kau tengok kan, I would give him credits for all this, okay? Very well done, Qaqal team. Hopefully one day Jaz Car Life can also organize something like this.
There are about 250 to 300 cars here, and each build is unique in its own way. Many of these cars have never been seen at event before, as they belong to private collectors who kept them hidden from the public. So thumbs up to Qaqal for being able to pull this off.
Okay, kita ada the old Honda City here. Lepas tu dekat sebelah situ pun kita ada like the EK. Wait, is it no? It's a City 4 doors. City 4 doors. Come here, come here, come here. 4 throttle. We got a like City dengan 4 throttle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaust just right here. Hai. Okay, jom. Yo bro, I gotta interview you. What do you think about the event today?
I think it's really fun, really nice. Good cars, good colors.
I think I should be behind the camera sometimes.
I don't think so. I prefer behind the camera.
Okay, you can take this back. Wait guys, check this out. Kita ada 4 FL5 color merah. Kita ada 3 biji running on MF10. Oh, sweet. But this one win my heart, of course. Kita ada TE37 Ultra Track Spec, Track Edition. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about this shirt? Jaz Car Life. Check out the phrase dekat belakang ni. Tell me what you guys think. Maybe we will open order for you guys soon. Alright, this is just like macam M&M's. Look at the colours. You know, like you play with Honda, you gotta play with colours. This guy, he got the best spot tau. Tengok dia punya spotlight yang betul-betul depan-depan. Look at this. This is running on a K20. Really, really clean. This titanium pipe for the intake. Guys, check out this Mugen punya bucket seat. This is the new one. Look really amazing. Wow, another K20. Jaz is like getting really serious tau dekat Malaysia scene. K20 swap. This one betul-betul sleeper lah. Without the hood open, korang takkan tahu yang basically this car is running on a K20. Kita punya Jaz line up memang banyak lah. There are a few definitely like macam memang worth sharing with you guys, especially for me, you know, like I get very excited bila aku nampak the K20 swap. Okay, this is the white body Jazz, superb, like orange color with the K20 swap. Terus jadi extra manly. This is very nice GK5. Aku macam tengok GK5 like dia ada macam mixed feeling tau. Because I like GE or GD better, but this GK5 definitely looks very good. This is another interesting GD. This is a JS Racing white body. Dia punya dalam dah memang strip out like a track car already. And of course, it's from Sauk.
It's crazy that this is Qaqal first event. The event is well thought out, starting with the car lineup, the stage, the layout, the sponsors, and the vendors. It is not perfect, but I can say that this is definitely one of the best events that I have been to, and even better to participate in.
Yang ni aku serius jarang nampak because like this is the Honda Civic sebelum the FD. If not mistaken sebelum the FD. So this is also like something yang memang aku suka. The blue one is like blue and white wheels TE. Ini so far something yang aku jarang nampak lah on the road. Okay, so we got a Euro R dekat sini. Euro R in yellow, Euro R in white. And then kita ada the one with the spoon livery. The last part S660. Okay, 660 on a white body is just like macam on point lah. I really like the S660. Kita ada dua M&M white body S660 and then kita ada satu Mugen RA. Definitely Mugen is like the cleanest lah, play safe. Tapi the white body cantik gila. Guys, something different. Gold bling.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The idea of participating in this event was to meet new people and gain exposure to new experience. I think it is important as we grow the channel, being out there, building relationship with the community. And let me know in the comment what you guys think of the event if you were here on the day. Till next video guys, Assalamualaikum and peace out.
It's a wrap! What? Okay, I wasn't planning for that, okay? But it's a wrap guys. Ciao.